The Rainbow Key. Once upon a time, in a valley hidden between silver mountains, there lived a young girl named Lena. She loved chasing rainbows after every storm, hoping one day she would find where they began. One morning, after a gentle rain, the brightest rainbow she had ever seen stretched across the sky, its colors so vivid that the air shimmered. At the end of the rainbow, something sparkled in the grass. Lena ran closer and found a tiny golden key, warm to the touch. On it, she saw words carved in glowing letters, "Unlock the color within." She looked around and noticed a large gray stone nearby, dull and lifeless. Out of curiosity, Lena placed the golden key into a small crack on the stone, and click! The stone began to glow, then burst open into a door of swirling colors. When she stepped inside, she entered a breathtaking world. Clouds floated like candy, rivers glowed like melted jewels, and butterflies painted the air with trails of light. In the heart of this world stood a wise old parrot with feathers of every color. "Welcome, keeper of the rainbow," he said kindly. "You found the key to imagination. It opens whenever someone truly believes in wonder." Lena spent what felt like hours exploring, meeting talking stars and playful raindrops. But soon, the parrot said softly, "It's time to go, child. The magic must be shared." As Lena stepped back through the door, the rainbow faded, leaving the key in her hand. From that day on, wherever she went, flowers bloomed brighter, laughter sounded sweeter, and people smiled more, as if a bit of the rainbow world followed her everywhere. And if you ever find a golden key after a storm, maybe, just maybe, you'll find the color within you too.